used to have one of those. Surely they wouldn't let him be wandering around here if he was an attack bird.
I don't think he is.
Can you wave to the bird? Can you wave to him?
Do you see that bird?
Wave to him. Yeah.
Maybe he's a member of the Hell's Peacocks.
Maybe so. Hell's Peacock.
Or the Peacock's Angels.
I don't know. I think he's still trying to figure out how to ride it.
Say, come here, kitty.
You looking for tigers?
Yeah. I'm eating animal crackers.
Eating animal crackers and looking for tigers. Does life get any better? There's Uncle Justin. He's looking for tigers too. Look at all these llamas.
You only like us if we got food.
That silly llama.
Okay, so you a silly boy.
Jason.
Kason,
Wrong
are
way.
you going back to get Katrina? She's coming. See? You got the whole crew with you? Yeah.
We just swarm around her. Around her.
Uh-oh. There's Uncle Kevin.
Look,
Check out the poster.
I get sidetracked.
Poster.
Quite easily.
Yeah.
Poster. Whoa.
Jason.
Where's Mama?
The elephant was just around here. Oh, I see. He's over there.
Oh, there he is. I see him now.
Where's Dad? Should we go around that way? We can go check it out.
What's that elephant doing, huh? What's that elephant doing? There's Ellen and Kevin with a Kevin
Hi.
face.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Good.
good. It's Steve Bostow.
Steve also.
I'm at the zoo.
Yep. I'm at the zoo. There's a bunch of aliens. I mean, animals here. There they are.
What kind of
Aliens.
zoo is this?
There they are. Aliens.
Alien animals.
Alien animals.
We're about to go see an alien elephant.
Yep. You hear them monkeys?
They throw poo at people.
They throw poo at you, but the last one did that to me. Well, you know.
I said, give me a face.
Sometimes you gotta just open a can and
Throw it at him.
No, males can be dangerous, and they like to pick on the females during certain times of the year. So we don't keep them unless we need them. Right now we don't.
alligators.
Guys,
Would you put fish in it or alligators?
This is the face of shut up, John.
This is the face of I'm gonna get super kicked.
Why would you get super
Big
kicked?
fish.
I'm the one that aggravated you.
Big fish.
big fish.
Like boy or like. Then I'll throw one at you.
Oh, you'll throw one at me? Baby boy, what are you
Maybe
doing
a lot
down
of
there?
little fish. Jason,
You can get an alligator to put in it.
anything you can do.
They do that occasionally. Look out for Kevin. Run into Kevin. Kevin's a girl.
I can watch my feet.
They're doing stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, waterfall.
train.
We're on the train. Should go by the bouncy stuff.
Are we on a train, Bitty boy?
Is that the camera?
Where are we, baby boy? It's super awkward.
Well, you guys were looking at the Jaguar I was watching.
Well, he was talking to the
Cringing.
Jaguar when we went by.
Yeah, I was like, oh. You could just see her. She was just like, I don't wanna.
At least you're not a Disney princess. It would have been worse.
No, that was worse.
Well, you'd get it on more occasions.
Yeah. Oh, look, John, it's right here.
You go over the sky lift. I mean, under the sky. No, we don't go over the sky lift. That would be awkward.
You said it.
It was.
Oh, it just comes right here and turns around.
Yeah.
Oh, fun.
Okay, now you can wave. You wanna wave?
So we are riding the train at the zoo, and the train is derailed. And it was Justin's fault. I mean, did I say Justin? I meant to say Kevin. But Katrina knows the truth.
Jason, what are we doing?
What are we doing, Biddy? We have a derailed train?
It's a very scientific process here. They keep screwing up.
They keep screwing up.
Yeah, these are professionals.
Highly trained,
Highly trained.
professionals.
Yeah, I bet you they went to community college.
I bet they did too. The other train
Or
caught
at
up
least,
with it.
at least maybe a class in high school.
They went to the community college and realized they were at the wrong building.
Yeah,
Turn around and left.
that's about right.
Sorry, I was looking for the sports bar.
Yeah, they got as much skill as that guy drawing lions over there.
Everyone back on the train.
I'll keep the bag back here and keep y'all looking.
You got? Oh, thank you. Katie's phone is in there.
We got you. Put down. I'll have a hand on it. Hold the bag back here.
Where did your dad go?
He went down there to take pictures. Justin's got our bag.
Oh, okay.
Hey, we got more room.
No more butt rings.
Yeah, Justin took the bag from us. He was being generous.
Did you say hi? Did you say hi? They went hi.
Well, it should be interesting. What do you make it come off?
Every good trip
There
to
you
the
go.
zoo needs to end with a life-threatening experience.
He blinks back at me, but he blinks both eyes.
Oh, this must be where they keep the tractor.
Yeah. Tractor's still over there. I don't see the other train though.
Maybe it derailed too.
They ought to do some.
It's right behind us. Oh, they didn't derail. They got too far. See, we just got on the defective train.
Now there's a train behind us.
Yeah, it caught up to us while we were derailed.